What's up, everybody? This is Nobody Studios. I'm Slade.
I'm Wyatt.
Oh, come! Oh, wait.
How are you still alive? This is so not fair. Okay, there
And
we
I
go.
can't move my mouse. Dang it.
What's up, everybody? Oh, what the heck? How are you alive? Get wrecked.
You get wrecked because I can't move my mouse.
How is this fair?
This is really fail. Actually, no. You have the better.
What? Watch. I'll get spawn at the very bottom at the map. Ugh.
How did you even get up here?
I grappled. One time, I actually made it up
And
here.
I can't move my mouse. I think maybe let's just stop it.
We are not starting over. This is too good of a start.
No, I can't move my mouse.
Why can't you move your mouse?
Let me see if I can pause it. Oh no, because I spawned up here.
What's up, everybody?
Can I move? Dang, I still can't move my mouse.
Okay, I got an idea.
On. Wow.
Are you at my desk?
Oh, villain spawn up here. Yes, I can move my mouse.
How did you turn into a villain?
I don't know.
And
Oh,
is that
dang.
fair?
No!
Yes. Oh, that was epic. I mean, you weren't even alive like 30 seconds. Come on. Come on. Dang it.
Bye. How do I have no legs? Again.
Because I just blasted you.
Why do you keep blasting my legs?
I think I'm gonna leave the game. It's just getting aggravating. Like,
Mind stone? How do I get the mind stone?
where did you get them? What?
I don't know.
You turned into a villain.
No?
Would you mind? I'm gonna leave for a second. I've clicked twice to teleport to grapple somewhere and it wouldn't take me, and the one time I accidentally clicked something else and it took me there.
I have all the stones. The infinity stones.
What?
Time stone?
Where did you get that?
Ooh.
It's probably not that cool. Hey, would you mind leaving the game real quick?
Why?
Because I want to become a villain.
Oh. This is not a time stone.
No, it isn't.
Like, what is this?
I'm probably going to accidentally leave the game.
Accidentally.
I'm at 1%.
Oh.
I gotta go to the restroom. Don't kill me. Please. Are you still recording?
Yeah.
Oh, hi! Now entire YouTube knows that I have to go to the restroom.
Press C to go invisible. And these are poop bombs. Ow! No! Ooh. Ow. Got the whole nota thrown on his head. Yeah. This one? Um, okay. Okay. That's just weird. I like. That's just creepy. Okay. Power stone. Oh, that's awesome. Hi, Wyatt. Hey, Wyatt. Okay, now I can kill you.
No. You just did. Let me guess. You just did.
No, I killed myself trying to kill you. Party. Oh.
Cool. Sorry, I'm looking at something on the internet.
Wanna see something weird?
No. I mean, maybe. Hey, wait a minute. I am. I'm looking at something weird. Oh,
This.
wow. It's like a freaky beacon.
That's the creepy part.
What is that?
Reality stuff.
That's freaky.
Yeah.
That's not just weird. That's ultra freaky.
Why can't I control where I go?
Because you're doing it wrong. I don't know. Well. Did I just hit you?
No.
Okay.
I blew myself up with the poop bombs.
The poop bombs?
Yes. Reality.
How are you not dead? Look at all those explosions going around you.
Space stone?
Seriously?
Hold on. Can I use... Oh, I like... Okay. Can I use something on you?
No.
Can I? Oh, dang. Look at all the, like, stuff.
Ash? This looks like?
That's all for my exploding train. Trains? What?
Train? Where did you get train?
I don't know. Ships.
Where are you? Whitish tan building?
With a beacon on it.
Okay,
Got to be.
I'm gonna look for a beacon. Set up the beacon.
It's on. Team. Oh, dang.
Are they all fighting you?
No. That's a creepy sound.
Yes, it is. Ow!
Did you hit me? Did I hit you?
You hit me.
Did I kill you?
I turned into a villain. This is so annoying. And now there's 2 villains.
Wait, what? Yay! Yay!
Bro. That's annoying.
Space stone? Can I interest like space with this stone? Dang. Oh.
I know you probably don't need it because you're so powerful and all, but have you tried the Silver Surfers 4?
No. This is just creepy. I'm getting out of here. Blue bombs.
Can you go to the spawn place and kill me?
Why?
Because.
Can't re-enter the place? Wow.
Oh, that guy left. So, that's sad. I killed myself. That was funny.
I'm laggy.
Oh, really? You're laggy? This person can fly. Never mind, I don't need you to kill me.
Too bad, liar.
No, you aren't.
Why does my fly not work anymore?
Where are you?
I feel like this is gonna be a really boring video.
Too late. Where are you? Gray building.
There's a lot of gray buildings, by the way.
Yeah, but please tell me where you are. Or just respawn. Wait, does that mean that all those ghost thingies are gonna try to fight me?
I don't know.
It's weird. They honestly look like ghosts, which is kind of weird, so try not to create them again.
Yes, another villain.
Why another villain? This is so not fair! I'm over by the spawn place. What are you doing?
No.
What's the space stuff?
Yeah, like create a space portal.
Think. Are you under a building? You're laughing.
You like that day?
Yep. Sorry.
Oh.
It's been like 5 minutes and you just now noticed. But okay. Well, shoot. I can't play on my tablet. And I can no longer play on your tablet. Hey, now you have someone to kill.
Oh, this is awesome! Reality. What?
Power Stone?
Yeah! Choo choo!
That's basically what, the other stone is.
Reality stone. What if I try to, like, oh, yeah, I can. That's awesome. Yay! Oh, like, got him! Yeah!
Okay, stop. Come on, back with that.
Okay, guys, that's gonna be the end of this episode. I hope you liked it. I'm Slade. I hope you liked the video. Bye.